So responsive versus spontaneous desire. This is game-changing information. Everyone should know it. It will change your life when you understand the difference between these two types of sexual responses. So basically, spontaneous desire is that idea that you think about sex and you're instantly turned on and you're ready to engage in sexual activity. So it's like what we see in movies, we read in, our book talk books. You're just ready to go. That is spontaneous desire. So along with spontaneous desire, people also experience responsive desire. So responsive desire is when we feel turned on as a response to something. So let's say it's the end of the night, kids are asleep, you're ready for some sexy time, whatever. And in your mind and in your heart, you're like, yeah, I'm ready, I'm down for that. But your body is not feeling turned on. And so you're just kind of like, okay, what's going on? I'd like to experience this, but I'm not feeling turned on, even though I've made a conscious choice that I would like to engage in some sort of sexual activity. So what happens then is that your body can then become turned on as a response to something, whether that be reading, your book talk book, reading, having a massage or taking a bath or, some physical touching with lube or a toy or massage, and then your body feeling turned on as a response. So that's the difference between the two. And both of these are totally typical, natural, normal experiences to have. And at different times, we can experience spontaneous versus responsive desire. Sometimes it might, different times in a relationship, maybe at the start of a relationship, you are feeling a lot more spontaneous desire, and then that shifts and it becomes more responsive. Also, as a woman, and a mom, it's really important to consider how we have been raised as women. We have been raised in a way that has not allowed us to be sexual beings. We've been told to, be the ones that are keeping ourselves pure, others pure. We're always the one putting on the brakes. Whereas traditionally, and this is stereotypical, men have been raised that their whole life knowing they're sexual beings, being allowed and expected to act upon sexual feelings. And so those different things can train our response systems. And then again, as moms, we're not even talking about the invisible labor that moms do and the mental load that moms carry. So all of these things are going to impact. So basically what I'm saying is that nothing is wrong with your body. We just got to learn how it works and learn how to, work with how it is.